Guys, if you can believe it, we're going to roast a whole chicken in my Ninja Foodi Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, hey, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, full alerts on, okay? So you get alerts on all what we're doing here. So what are we doing here today? Guys, we are going to roast a chicken in my Ninja Foodi Grill. So this chicken is already marinated. I got it in a little package from the store. All right, so it's already been spatchcocked, okay? So this isn't like some family recipe for a great marinade on a chicken. This is just to show you the capabilities of the Ninja Foodi Grill with a full chicken, okay? So sorry there's no ingredients below for this. It's a citrus and herb marinade, so I would think, you know, a couple oranges, couple limes, couple lemons, squeeze that juice in there, a little bit of olive oil, some herbs, a little salt and pepper, you probably get the same thing, okay? So if you want to make this exact recipe, it's probably along those lines. So the herbs be thyme, rosemary, maybe a little parsley in there, I don't know, whatever you feel like, okay? So I hope you guys stick around to the end, see how this turns out. We are using the grill plate for this. I thought about using the roasting rack, but I wanted something a little sturdier on there, and I'm thinking the Foodi Grill grate will be a little bit better. You're still getting the airflow underneath it, and that's just what I'm gonna go with, okay? Now this chicken, like I said, has already been spatchcocked. Now what that means is you cut out the backbone on both sides of the chicken and use it with a good pair of kitchen shears, and then you'll turn it over, push in the middle of the breastplate and break it so your chicken lays flat. Really simple to do. I'll put a video up here that shows when I did a spatchcock chicken out on our Traeger, so you can see how that's done. Like I said, this is just the capability of the Foodi Grill that we're demonstrating, not the recipe, not the cook, basically, okay? I'm gonna get you over to our Ninja Foodi Grill station, and we're just gonna get started. Come on back. Okay, we're gonna get this thing preheated. We're baking this thing. So we're gonna hit bake. We want 375. Oops, that's the time. Well, might as well set that too. So we're gonna go 50 minutes and then we'll check it. 50 minutes, okay, and the temperature, we're gonna go 375. Oops, all right, and let's start the preheating. Got one glove on here, we're gonna get another glove on. Take this bad boy out of the container here. All right, so again, spatchcock, it's already done. I'm going to cut it out of the bag. I'm doing it on this paper so we don't make a mess. Oh, it smells really good. Some good stuff right here. Right, so it's just a little bird. You see the marinade, it's got a little garlic in it. You definitely smell the garlic. Not bad. It's looking pretty good right here. I'm gonna let it kind of relax a little bit. It's been kind of cooped up in that in the marinade. So as you can see right here, they've cut out the backbone. Okay, so each side there's ribs. All right, so we're gonna place this down just this way on the Foodi Grill, the grill plate. Kind of tuck everything right where it needs to be, and we should be good to go. So once this is preheated, we'll get it in there and I'll show you how we're gonna do it. Okay, we're done preheating. Got this ready to go. Let's get our chicken in there, make sure get all the drippings off here. Now this has obviously been marinating a long time. Okay, be careful when you're putting this on the grill. Everything is hot in there. Okay, it's not grill hot, but it's still pretty hot, okay? 30 minutes, we'll come on back. Okay guys, we're about 16, 17 minutes in. Look at the color that is going on right there. I was gonna flip this and, you know, get that get some grill marks on there, but I really don't think I want to now. I think I'm liking the roastedness, roasty toastiness going on there. So Breast is at 116. We got a little ways to go. Check the other side. All right, 107. Yeah, we got a little ways to go, but the color. Checking the thigh area over here. Obviously, the dark meat is going to cook up a bit faster. We're going for 165 in all sides of the meat. So obviously, the breast will be the most cooking time needed. But wow, look at that color. Very good. All right, let's go another 10 minutes. All right, we're about 30 minutes in. Wow. All right, as you can see, I flipped it around. But we got some great color on there. That skin is getting nice and crispy. We might just turn this a little more sideways. All right. Just trying to get different exposure from the heating element. All right, look at that. It's getting that nice color on it. Very nice. All right, 5 more minutes. We'll check it again. All right, guys, 35 minutes in. Boy, it's looking good. Woo. Let's check the temps. If we get it to 155 or so, I'm going to go ahead and pull it. So 168. I'm not deep enough in there. There we go. 158. Yeah, that's about better. I don't want to overcook this, so I'm going to let mine carry over. Yeah, 152, 155. I want to let the legs and the thighs are, 200 degrees. They're done. All right. So the breast, we're just going to let some carryover temperature cook it. I'm going to get it on the cutting board, let it rest for about 10 minutes, and we'll start chopping it up. Let the chicken cool down a bit. I cut it in half for the thumbnail. Look at that. Whoa, look at that golden brown, delicious. All right. I'm going to cut off this thigh and leg combo. Whew. If I can find the joint. All right. That perfectly done. Let's take a little bite on. All right, pretty good. Not bad. It's falling off the bone. Thigh meat, pretty good. Right. Cut off that wing. Side. Or whatever that piece is. Hot. So I let it rest, but it's still a little hot. Whew. Look at that. There's the breast. Juicy. Oh my goodness. Just see the juices flying out of here. Whew. Look at that. Let me get as close as I can to that. It's perfect. Look at the juices. You can see it running off the thing. Running off the knife. Let's try this breast meat right here. Woo! Hot! Okay, guys. Again, this was not a recipe for the marinade. This is just to see how well this roasts the chicken. Thinking about it, going back in my mind, we hit the bake button. All right, not the roast button. Sorry, I get a little ahead of myself when we're doing these videos, but the bake button, we baked the chicken. All right, I think it's because the instructions said to bake at 375, so it threw me off. But bake or roast, you're using the same temperature, same function, it's good to go. Okay, so again, just it's a little fryer chicken, spatchcocked, too good. All right, come on back over there and we'll talk about it. All right, guys, that was awesome. I can't believe that we cooked the whole chicken in this foodie grill, but I'm freaking excited about it. Okay, it tasted great. The citrus and herb marinade was tasty. If you can find this particular brand, knock yourself out. But I think you guys can come up with your own marinades on there for real. Okay, that's it, guys. This is another winner on the Ninja Foodi Grill. I'm pumped up for it. If you guys want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, hit that link below. If you guys want to get some CJ merch, hit the Teespring store down below. Everything's below. Hit show more. You can get everything we do here, okay? hey, I hope y'all have a great week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.